Have you ever wondered why only a very small few succeed in the digital world while the rest drown in an endless pursuit of an illusion? The internet we have known for decades has truly come to an end, and today we are not searching for merely a technological opportunity. We are searching for a safe haven and a human empire that reshapes human destiny. Welcome to the era of leadership immortality, where silence is no longer an option, and waiting has become an act of fantasy. Today, through the Victory with Ash platform, we are here to draw together the roadmap that will transform you from a mere follower watching events from afar into a true leader in the global vision led by Mr. Ash Mufareh. Here, we are not speaking about temporary profits or platforms that are born today only to die tomorrow. We are speaking about certificates of absolute digital sovereignty. It is the historic dividing point between the era of algorithmic slavery and the age of the new masters who control technology without being controlled by it. The world is going through a silent digital earthquake, and what is happening now is not merely an update of algorithms, but a revolution in digital ethics and financial justice, fiercely led by the Victory with Ash platform. Planning for this stage took years of hard work to build a system that does not tolerate fraudsters and does not allow the draining of energies. Many people ask in the comments, how do we begin and how can we trust? The answer lies in understanding that the beginning is not in seeking quick profit, but in merging into this empire and adopting the mindset of a partner. Here, you are not consuming content, rather you own the tools that grant you absolute sovereignty over your financial and digital destiny. The Victory with Ash platform was designed to destroy the illusions of the digital world and to be the technological force that distinguishes between the honest and the fraudster with unfailing intelligence. It is an empire that is not built on empty promises, but on tangible truths and transparency that shake the foundations of the old system. For everyone who has been harmed before and for everyone who fears the dominance of technology, here in the heart of Victory with Ash, the strongest version of yourself is being created. History is not written by years, but recorded by that silent minority who build in secrecy, only to astonish the world with a magnificent structure. And your joining this entity today is considered an explicit declaration of independence from the decaying financial system. We are not gathering anonymous crowds. Rather, we are searching for exceptional minds, because towering summits have no room for the hesitant. They are reserved only for those who carry the torch of superior human intelligence and absolute loyalty to the vision. And when traditional digital thrones tremble and the illusions of false wealth collapse, this platform will remain the only towering beacon above the ruins of global economic chaos. It is the leadership vessel whose concept was crafted with the utmost precision by Mr. Ash Mufareh to carry you above the raging waves of crises and bring you safely to the shores of security, where inflation does not devour the value of your savings, nor unjust policies control your daily sustenance. Here, you are not purchasing a place in the future. Rather, you are rewriting history for your own benefit and for generations yet to come, so they may be proud that you were among the first founders. Leadership begins when you realize that you are not merely a number in viewing statistics, but the cornerstone in building a future that guarantees dignity and freedom for every human being who dares to dream. Time waits for no one, and the coming stage will show no mercy to the hesitant who stand upon the platforms of waiting. We are not selling dreams. Through Victory with Ash, we are placing in your hands the keys of the age of sovereignty. The true beginning starts now, with a courageous decision that places you among the ranks of leaders who chose to be part of the solution rather than part of the problem. The legacy of Mr. Ash Mufareh is embodied today in this great entity, serving as a message of hope and strength for everyone who believes they have the right to live in peace and financial security under the umbrella of a system that respects their humanity above all else. Victory does not come to those who wait, but to those who possess the courage to seize it. This is a sincere invitation from the heart of the Victory with Ash platform. Do not settle for watching. Be the driving force and the motivator. The road ahead of us is filled with challenges, but its path is clear to those enlightened by our vision, and the summit has room only for those who possess an iron will. We are here to guide you, support you, and move forward with you together towards a new dawn of sovereignty and digital leadership. Welcome to the journey of a lifetime, and welcome to the world of true victory. Welcome to Victory with Ash.